In this video, we're going to talk about age problems. Generally, with age problems, we're comparing one person's age with another person's age and then trying to figure out how old they are in total. So for this first example, we have Julie and Bob. Julie and Bob are friends. Bob is 5 years younger than Julie. Together, their ages add up to 47. How old are they? We have some key information. And when we focus on the word problems, we have to think about writing one person's age in terms of the other person. So which person do we know least about? Do we know least about Bob, or do we know less about Julie? In this case, we know that Bob is 5 years younger than Julie, so Julie we don't know a whole lot about. Therefore, Julie will be our X. Bob is 5 years younger than Julie. Younger is very key. That means minus. So that means that Bob is Julie's age minus 5. So Bob is X minus 5. We also know that together their ages add up to 47. Okay, so we're adding the two ages. That means that Bob plus Julie equals 47. Bob's age is X minus 5. Julie's age is X. So our equation is X minus 5 plus X equals 47. In order to solve this, we combine like terms, so we get 2x minus 5 equals 47. Then we're going to add 5 to both sides, so we get 2x equals 52. To find Julie's age, we're going to divide by 2, and we get x equals 26. So Julie's age is X, so Julie is 26 years old. In order to find Bob's age, we're going to take Julie's age, which is 26, subtract 5 to get 21 years old. In order to check this, we can just quickly add their two ages together. So 21 plus 26, which gives us our 47, which is our sum. It's just as simple as that. Let's try one that's a little bit harder. So Jacob, Pete, and Andy are brothers. Pete is 5 years older than Jacob. Andy is 2 years younger than Jacob. When you sum their ages, you get 33. So how old are they? Again, we want to figure out who we know least about and then write the others in terms of that one. We know that Pete is 5 years older than Jacob. Andy is 2 years younger than Jacob. So that means that Jacob, we don't know. Everything is relating back to Jacob. So Jacob is going to be our X. Pete is 5 years older. Older means addition. So we're going to have Pete is Jacob's age plus 5 years. When you sum their ages together, you get 33. Andy is 2 years younger than Jacob. Remember, younger means minus. So X minus 2. When you sum their ages, you get 33. So that's our total. We need to remember that Jacob plus Pete plus Andy equals 33. Jacob's age is X. Pete's age is X plus 5. Andy's age is X minus 2. Okay, so all I've done is taken Jacob X, Pete X plus 5, Andy X minus 2. And I've added my three ages. When we combine like terms, we get 3 x plus 3 equals 33. And then let's solve for x. So minus 3. So we get 3x equals 30 and divide by 3. So we know that somebody is 10 years old. Who is 10? The x, that's Jacob. So Jacob is 10 years old. Pete is going to be x plus 5, so that's 10 plus 5, or 15 years old. Andy is x minus 2, or 10 minus 2, which is 8 years old. Let's double check. So we'll take their ages. 10 plus 15 plus 8. 8 and 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 33. So their ages sum together to get 33, which is what we want. And that's pretty much how to do age problems. Remember, as you read it, figure out who you know least about. That becomes your variable. And then relate the others in terms of that particular age.